Okay, so my lens is in this bag. I'm going to open it and show you what's inside. Ta-da! That's it. Wow. So this is the Sigma lens. It's a super telephoto lens from Sigma. So it has a range of 150 to 600 millimeter. So it's kind of it allows you to have some 12 times magnification, because for every 100 millimeter it is going to give you twice the magnification of the subject. And yeah, I already installed this adapter for this video head. So what we can do is just to put it like that, install it here. So once it I already positioned here, so I just need to push it. Okay, I need to tighten the other side, and so okay. So this is my Sigma. Position it. Then once I put it like that, it's going to lock.